Hi, this is Steven. Welcome to your virtual video walk around here at Sunset Ford. This is the 2016 GMC Sierra 1500. Stock number on this truck is 7256. Take notice of the exterior condition on a virtual video walk around. You get to see this truck up close and personal with imperfect video. No scratches, no dents, no dings. It does have the tow package, as you can see. Taking a look at the bed liner in the back. Taking a look on the passenger exterior. Now we're going to go take you and put you inside this truck in just a second. Really like the rims and tires on this truck. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life. That's right here at Sunset Ford. Traveling with friends or family. Look at that room, that comfort on the rear interior. And no virtual video walk around would be complete without putting you in the driver's seat and showing you the front interior. Power windows, locks, cruise, it's fully loaded. You know this truck's not going to last long. For this truck's information or the other vehicles in our inventory's information, call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down and get ready to save. We hope you've enjoyed your virtual video walk around. Scott Tanner saying, make it a great day. Take care.